So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to swipe for split screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Swipe for split screen is a gesture that allows you to open split screen faster, and to do it, first you need to enable that option in the settings. So let's go to settings, then find advanced features, multi-window, then enable swipe for split screen. Then you can see you need to swipe 2 fingers up from the bottom of the screen, and it'll ask you for the second app to open. So I'm gonna open like anything, for example the gallery, and this is how it works. You can resize it as well. You can like click here to switch them, or this to add the app pair to home screen. You can also click on that button to like change the app to something else, or to use the other mode, which is called floating window. And these are the options. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.